Location, location, location. This immaculately maintained 2-bedroom/2-bath townhome conveniently located to all parts of the Triad features engineered hardwood flooring throughout, tiled bathrooms and laundry room, granite counters and new stainless appliances including a Bosch dishwasher and Frigidaire refrigerator appliances remain. Open floor plan with gas log fireplace, vaulted ceilings and split bedroom floor plan. Ample closets, pull-down attic, attached outdoor storage area and one-car garage make for plenty of storage space. Fully fenced backyard with privacy fence and concrete patio to sit and relax or entertain. Convenient to restaurants, shops and stores, this location is ideal. Don't miss your chance to call this home. Home sold as is.